What is Joshua Van's net worth and career earnings in 2026? UFC flyweight champion Joshua Van, the 24-year-old Burmese American sensation known as the Fearless, has seen his financial profile soar in 2026 following a string of impressive victories capped by his title-winning performance. Sources estimate his net worth at approximately $155 million, built primarily through UFC fight purses, performance bonuses, and growing sponsorship deals. Van has competed 10 times inside the octagon, with career earnings climbing rapidly thanks to high-profile paydays, including roughly $133,000 against Cody Durden, $130,000 versus Rai Surya, $15,600 in a later bout, $220,000 against Brandon Royval with Fight of the Night honors, and a massive $1,028 million for dethroning Alex Fledry Pantoja to claim the championship. The young star's marketability continues